Okay, so yesterday we talked about finding the missing side when we know the area of a shape. Today I want to talk about finding the missing side when we know the perimeter. Okay, this leads me to the first very important thing that I'm going to say, and that is when you're taking the test, you need to pay close attention to, are they giving you the perimeter or are they giving you the area? Because you solve those in two totally different ways. If they're giving you the area, it's really easier. Because what is our formula for area? Brady? Length times width. Okay, so if they're giving you the area, it's easier because we just have to know, oh, 10 times what equals 60, and that's pretty easy for us to do. If they're giving you the perimeter, it's a little more challenging. And we did this one yesterday. What is the formula we were using for perimeter? What's the formula we were using for perimeter to find the missing side? Sophie? Very good. Perimeter equals 2 times our length plus the width. So we're going to go ahead and write that at the top of this worksheet. And because we're working backwards, we know the perimeter and we don't know one of the sides. On this one, they've labeled it L, so we'll just say the length. Okay? What is our first step to determine that missing side? What do we do first? Everyone should be able to say this. Everybody say it together. What do I do first? Thank you. I hear several of you saying. Everyone say it together. Cut the perimeter in half. Slice it in half. That's your first step. So on this one, if my perimeter is 26, what is half of that? What is half of 26? Callie? 13. So 13 is what my length and my width need to add up to. 13. My length and width need to add up to half my perimeter. So, if my width is 9, what is my length? 9 plus what is 13? Every hand should be up. If your hand's not up, then you should be counting it on your fingers, doing hatch marks, writing it out, 13 minus 9, but every hand should be in the air. What is my length? Melanie? 4. So for number 1, my L is 4 what? What is it measured in? It tells you in the directions. Kinsley? Centimeters. Okay, so number 2, what is the first thing I do when I'm given the perimeter? Quentin? Chop it in half. What is half of 24? 12. So my length and width add up to 12. What is my length? What's my length? Let's see. 4. Okay. What's the first thing I do when I'm given the perimeter? Jacob, I need that on your face and I need you to be paying attention, raising your hand. What's the first thing I do when I get my perimeter? Harper. Thank you. What do I do first here, Harper? I have the perimeter is 18. Chop it in half. What's half of 18? 9. So 9 is equal to 4 plus my length. What is my length? 4 plus what is 9? I only have 3 hands in there and I want to see 26. Chloe? 5. Okay? Do I need to do another example together? Okay, if my perimeter is 22, Jacob, what do I do first? Chop it in half. What's half of 22, Vinny? 11. So 11 is equal to my length plus my width. 9 plus what is 11, Charlize? Count it up. Allie? 2. It's 2 centimeters. Okay, it's 9, 10, 11. Count it up. Okay? Okay, I'm going to give you, let's say, 5 minutes to see how many we can get done on this sheet and see if we can find the missing sides. You may work with the person sitting next to you. You two girls can work together. Okay? Kensley, you can choose to either work with Melanie and Sophie or